morning. It is Friday, November the 17th. It is my father's 70th birthday, and it's the Jordan's 9th anniversary. 9 years, gosh. My dad made it to 70. Yay, us. Got married on his birthday. I wanted to keep track. In 2008. So we're just getting our walk on before we take a road trip. We're going to Fayetteville, North Carolina, to hang with my 70-year-old pops. So Jordan will be in the back seat, keeping me company. Everybody loves to see him. I'm just giving him a little walk. We're going to walk a good little way for a minute, so he'll be good and tired. And then every rest stop, we'll stop and get a little walk.